and so is the mood for meeting our friends and our relatives, and so is the mood for enjoying lovely desserts and sweet and savory recipes. And here comes a very easy recipe. You're just going to love it. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I'm making Motichoor Rabri Cups. You're going to just love it because it's a very different type of thing. And the best part, it is very easy. It can be prepared within minutes. And also one more thing, you can prepare and keep it stored in your fridge whenever required. You have to just put it and serve it. So let's begin with it. So here comes the delicious looking Motichoor ladoo cups with the instant rabri, and this rabri can be prepared within minutes. So for this I am going to take the muffin tray on which I have put in the cling foil. You can do it on the small batis or the small vessels or katoris, and onto that I am going to place the Motichoor ladoo, which is easily available in everybody's house during the Diwali festival, and I am going to press it with the help of a pestle. You can press it with your hand even. Simply you have to press it not very deep. You have to press it in such a way that the base does not become thin. Yes, otherwise it will break, it won't hold. So just settle it down and press it with your hand and form a cup which has a big hole inside. Yes, can you see the shape of the hole? It should be quite big. So similarly I am going to make holes in the other laddoos even. See, doesn't it look beautiful? And just remove any cracks. If you can see, try to remove it. See, these laddoos are basically made with ghee. So now I am going to freeze it for 1 hour. So what happened? The ghee will help the cup to become strong. Yes, it will become holdable cup. Yes, you can hold and just take a bite of it. Yes, that is the way we are going to make the cup of the laddoos. So this Motichoor ladoo cups goes inside the freezer, and meanwhile I am going to prepare the 5-minute instant rabri. Yes, you must be thinking only 5 minutes. Rabri takes about 1 hour, but over here I am going to prepare within 5 minutes. So I have just greased the pan so that it becomes easier for me to take out the rabri after it's formed, because I am going to make a thick rabri. For that I am taking normal milk. This is my normal milk, that is, it's not a full fat cream milk. If you want, you can. If you have, or if you want, you can use the full fat cream milk. Since I had the normal low fat milk, so I use the low fat milk only. So just dropping the low fat milk into the kadai, and now I am going to give it a boil. Yes, just give it one boil. As soon as it starts boiling, I am going to drop the milk powder into it. Yes, that is why it will become thick. Another ingredient will come that will make it more thick. So this will add the creaminess and the taste even. Just stir it so that the powder mixes well in the milk, and dropping some saffron strings even, so that also gets easily, it gives the flavor and the color to the dish. So see, this has started boiling. Once the milk starts boiling, I am going to add the bread crumbs. These are your fresh white bread crumbs, of which the edges have been removed, that is, the brown portion has been removed, and I have just pulsed it in my chopper, and dropping some almond slivers to give that a bit of bite into my rabri. This is optional. If you don't want to add it, don't add it, but I enjoy it having a bite in my rabri, so I am preparing with the almond slivers. And just mix it. Can you see how beautifully it has thickened? So now comes the color. That is optional. If you want to add, If you don't like, please don't add, it is just optional. Some cardamom powder, it is very good for health, and I'm adding that, and that would also give a beautiful flavor to this rabri. See, my rabri has quite thickened, that is the way I want. And yes, the breadcrumb has helped in thickening. And little bit of sugar is added. You remember, because the milk powder also has the sugar, so I am adding very little sugar. And already the motichoor laddu is quite sweet, so you don't have to add much of the sugar into it. So just mix it up, and my rabri is done. See, beautiful. It is thickened, and I'm just mixing up the sugar, and my rabri is done. Perfect thickness. Can you see the thickness I require? Because as it cools down, it will thicken more. This is the way I want. So now we will just take out the rabri and transfer into another bowl, and I'm going to again cover the rabri also with the cling foil, and I'm going to refrigerate it. Mind you, the cups I had freezed it, and the rabri I'm going to refrigerate it, not freeze it. I don't want to make kulfi out of it. So after 1 hour, I have taken out the cups, that is the motichoor cups, and my mouth is watering. So now I'm just going to demold it. So here's my rabri, which I've also taken out. See, I'm just removing the cling foil. It has chilled. This is one thing you can prepare in advance. Yes, I love recipes during Diwali time, which can be easily prepared and kept it inside the fridge, and whenever somebody arrives, you can serve it. And this is the perfect recipe for that. So here I am demolding the cups. See, this cling foil is helping me easily to remove the cup from its body. See, just easily you can remove it. See, it has hardened. That is, the ghee has helped in hardening. That is, the ghee inside the motichoor laddu has helped in hardening of the shell. So just take it out and transfer it to a plate. Doesn't they look gorgeous? Beautiful. You can stuff any other thing even you like, amle ka petha even, or you can stuff ice cream in it. You'll get the motichoor ice cream or kulfi in it. See, I'm giving you ideas so that this is the way you can enjoy the dish in different way. You can fill it with the chocolate stuffing even, and you can drop the Ferrero Rocher in it and serve it also. So now I'm going to fill the cups with the rabri. Yes, my 5 minutes instant rabri. So can you see the thickness of it? I'm going to just fill it up. Yes, you don't need to pipe it. If you want, you can use the piping bag also. But I'm a bit lazy, and already lots of work going in my house, cleaning and everything. And I wanted to share this recipe because some people are coming in the evening, and I wanted to make this and serve them even. So they look gorgeous. I'm just scooping it inside the cup. As I said, you can scoop anything else even. Ferrero Rocher. I'm loving the idea. I'm going to try that even. You also try and share. Did you like it with the Ferrero Rocher or with the ice cream? Ice cream, I know you're going to just love it. Or with the kulfi. So decorating it with some pistachio slivers. Some almond slivers goes in it. Already the almond slivers are inside, so you just need for decoration. And to add some color, I'm using the homemade dried rose petals. Yes, see, when you dry it at home, it takes a beautiful maroon color, lovely, beautiful rose color. What do you say, the dark color, raspberry you can say. It takes a beautiful color. My motichoor cups filled with rabri is ready. It's ready to be enjoyed. Doesn't it look gorgeous? So let me just plate it. So this is the how I am going to plate it for my photography even. So I am sharing this with you all even. I needed some height below the candle, so I am just putting the petals of the flower only. This is how basically I work. I don't know about other people. Whatever I get hold of it, I use it. So placing the Motichoor laddoos muffin mold again, that is the cups, paper cups. And here comes the third one. And since it's the festive season, why not light up the diyas? Yes. So I'm going to light up the diya. Since it's festive season, so why not light up the diyas? So just lighting the diyas will add glamour to my dish even. So doesn't it look gorgeous? See, beautiful. So the festive feel is around. So why not you also go and make this lovely dessert and enjoy the festive mood with your family and friends. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, please do subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And once again, happy Diwali and the festive mood in advance. Thank you.